There's that box again. Okay, it's November 21st, Thursday, 2019. Let me try to get rid of this. There we go. Or brighten that up. All right, Nike, we stopped out of that today. Um, the volatility stop. I think perhaps I tightened the stop a little bit too much and chickened out. Um, Clearly, the volatility stop was there. What I didn't like was the lower high that this is putting in. I'd like to see it break through this downtrend line and hold if I want to get back into it again. This was a kind of a bizarre pattern. What I was looking for was for it to continue to go up and maybe see some resistance a little bit higher and pull back. I guess you could call this a cup and handle. We'll keep an eye on it for sure. Let's review our open positions. Brown Foreman, we're up 200 fake dollars, 4.02%. And here, let's look at a weekly and see what we have. Nothing but blue sky above. We have kind of a little morning star pattern happening there on the weekly. So we'll keep our stop. It's too tight right now. It could easily come down and test this line. I've been kind of a chicken. I wanted some profits in the bank early on without giving things a chance to really run. This one could really run. Let's look at that weekly again. It could also fall, but we're going to give it a chance to run. Normally, I wouldn't lower a stop like that, but in this case, I think I just made a mistake by tightening it too much. One thing I'm going to do is sell half at $70. I'm using a calculator to do this. I know that's lazy. I just don't feel like making any boo-boos. So we'll go with 39 shares at we'll go with 69.98. And that's not very far away. Flexion, doing this kind of J-hook thing. Look at the 20 and 40. So nothing wrong here. We'll leave the stop where it is. We're below the trend line. We probably should be below this low pivot because that's the Captain Obvious stop level. We also have this minor support. I just don't want to have all these chicken stops. There, we'll give that a chance to run. We are taking half off early, like at first resistance. We'll see what happens with this one. JB Hunt, I don't like this at all. I was expecting it to go up, obviously, and now we have resistance overhead. You can see it with the volatility stop. We've settled down into another box. I'll leave the stop where it is. I may just, if it does stays going sideways tomorrow, maybe I'll do just call it a time stop after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of doing nothing. Microsoft continues To consolidate, all narrow body bars. So we'll book a profit no matter what there. It's another one. Here, let's look at a weekly. It wants to run. It had this big up move, a long consolidation of many weeks, and it continues to rise. I'll leave the stop where it is for now. I'm kind of thinking about my stop strategy, what I need to do. I can't really back test, so I'm doing everything by eyeball. Sometimes it's the right thing to do to take a stop soon, and other times not so much. Let's look at the weekly on NVIDIA. So this one we're going to come into lots of resistance. I would think where it was grinding higher here during 2018. I don't know if you can see the cursor on the video or not. I may be wasting my time pointing these things out. Anyway, there is chart resistance to the left, and we'll maintain a tighter stop on this one simply because of that. Right now we're under the trend line. We're under the box, so we'll leave it there. Right aid. It did put in a topping tail a couple of weeks ago. And it's kind of like the JB Hunt, where it's just not doing much of anything. We have come over to the trend line, and tomorrow I may stop or just kill that one on a time stop. We have a little topping tail there as well. Royal Bank did not trigger. Sealed Air is breaking down. We had a big down day today. So we're up 46 fake dollars, and we'll leave that stop where it is. Spiders continue to look fine. No real selling there, just the expected pullback is here. Now Seagate, was having a look at the weekly. So we have a downtrend line connecting the 2015 and 2018 pivot highs, and we're right on it. It could just blow right through this. I would expect it to consolidate or pull back, because there will be lots of selling from people who bought in 2018 just wanting to break even. So we're going to keep our stop where it is, and if we get $13 in profit, great. If I had looked at the weekly harder, I probably wouldn't have taken this trade for that reason. And XLK looks very, very good. Once again, that stop is too tight. It could easily come back and test these levels. Let's look at a weekly. I'm going to do I'm going to move that down to here anyway. This is a 2-day chart, and I'm well under the volatility stop. We'll give that a chance. I don't want to lose money on the trade after being up a little bit. And let's see what alerts we got today that are different. Applied Materials, that is selling, high volume, straight down. Let's look at another board. So I had the price alert here. Yeah, that is not consolidation, it's selling. Pterodine, that also looks like selling to me. Nothing wrong with the long-term trend. It just got a little bit ahead of itself. So I won't be grabbing that. And Google, that simply pulled back to the rising 20 and to minor support. Here, let's sharpen this up a little bit. There, that's minor support there. That came down on a high angle, and we're below this trend line, so I'm going to put that on buy watch one, but I'm certainly not going to buy that today. Yeah, so nothing new today. Let's go back to the spiders. We're certainly consolidating or pulling back at the moment. If I see buyers stepping in tomorrow, then perhaps there will be some fresh new trades. That's it for this evening. Bye bye, everyone.